So, hello, it's John here with Keto Classic. I'm going to make cauliflower hash browns, or they kind of taste more like maybe a potato pancake. But, so I'm going to put it in the food processor and grind it up, and I'm not going to take a towel. I've seen other people do that where they take a towel and they put it inside the cauliflower. I'm not going to do that because one, it just seems like an extra step that's a hassle, and two, I don't see it as being real sanitary. I mean, there's lint and there's things that can come off onto that towel. That's not the way that I'm going to do it. So I have a way that I came up with, and I'm going to do that next. So stay tuned. Probably the worst part about doing this is blending up the cauliflower, because it tends to go all over the place. So I have my cauliflower. I'm just going to add 2 eggs, some salt and pepper. I like pepper. I'm going to add a lot for myself. Some cheddar cheese. This is just for me, so it might be a little extra, but that's probably about a cup. And then I'm adding flax chai blend. Flax chai blend. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this. Alright, so something that works real good is this air fryer. And I'm going to take some of this and I'm going to form it into a patty. Now it's going to be like real soft, but when it cooks, it will, cook into more like a hash brown. So you don't want it too thin because there's a lot of moisture in here and it would just fall apart. So I'm probably going to put about 3 patties in here. And then I don't know if you've ever used one of these air fryers, but they are fantastic. We just got this one at Christmas, and they are fantastic. So they have holes in the bottom of this pan so the moisture can drain down. So I'm going to wash my hands, and in it goes. Yeah, if you don't have one of these, man, these things are great. So I'm going to put it on fry, and I'm going to put it for about, let's go with 11 minutes. And there it goes. It's going to start cooking. And then halfway through, I'll flip it and see how we're doing. So it's down to about 1 minute. We're going to check these here. I did flip them in about 5 minutes, and I also sprayed them with some cooking spray. So it's down to a minute. They're looking pretty good. There you go. This side looks better. Oh, maybe that side. So cauliflower hash browns. While that was cooking, I made myself some scrambled eggs. Now, of course, you could add garlic powder to that, or diced onions, or anything. I'm just going to add some cheese on top. And I'm going to eat now. Thanks.